Wait, that's not an RT. Got Betty Blue. And we're gonna go ahead and race Grim Reaper while he's on the tire. Same tire as me, except he's on an 18, I'm on a 17. And we'll see how this goes. Got Betty Blue. And we're gonna go ahead and race Grim Reaper while he's on the tire. Same tire as me, except he's on an 18, I'm on a 17. And we'll see how this goes. So some of the cars, GT 500, haven't got a chance to run them yet. Got a 4.6. There's a Dark Knight. Go ahead, check up on Dark Knight. Hey there, Dark Knight. How you running, man?
Hey, man, I need more power. I need more power.
So what you got done to this thing, man?
You know, basic shit. I thought I was full bolt on, man, but I think I'm half bolt on. You know what I mean? I have to run it today, man. You know, this ain't no full bolt on car, man. I need some more power.
More power coming soon.
Yeah, man.
Dark Knight. Hey, what's your Instagram?
Hey, you know, Mustang Syndicate, man. You know, ABG Outlaws, you know. That's the name right there.
Got this Daytona over here. Running consistent 14s, you guys. Nah, I'm just kidding, he's running 13s.
That's ABG Outlaw right there.
Yeah. Charged up 803, racing a Mach 1. Get it charged up. Mustang killer right there from a V6 Charger. Stock for stock.
We'll be back here Saturday on the 27th doing Street Wars. And it's going to have two classes. We've got the Street Sniper, red light rifle. And Street Sniper is going to be 08 newer production cars, naturally aspirated, DOT tires, tagging insurance, real street car. You got to drive them in the gate to be in the class. And then the second class is going to be Street Warrior.
5.0 with a big turbo. Uh-oh. Mustang down. There's another Mustang down.
Ouchie wow.
What happened?
Third and fourth are gone. Broke the shift fork. Oh well, still under warranty. Fuck it.
2018, what? 5.0. This is a known problem,
Hey,
though, right?
hey, though.
You survived,
Hey,
though, right?
take a look at that though. I still cut a 1.9 on street tires. That's not too bad.
And he's done for the
Get a pick
day.
of them street tires.
Oh, yeah.
Get a pick of them street tires.
Got the Nittos, NT555 G2s. You guys go hit him up on Instagram. Well, you said you're headed back?
Yeah, I'm headed back. I'm done. Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
Definitely fun. Hope once you get it fixed and everything, you'll be back.
I should just build the fucking transmission. Fuck it. Wife's gonna be so fucking proud.
Alright guys, last pull of the day. It's gonna be me and Grim Reaper. Last pass, great pass.